All right, now, had a great chat earlier with one of ours regarding a video and what have you, and went through it in exquisite, hopefully enough detail anyway, for me to really fine-tune things down. And one of the things that I still see, you got to lose these terms. Because if you're still thinking in terms of the Jane Doe-755, you're still caught in a legal matrix. I already told you all, go back a few shows, and I've told you on many shows, there is only one document that you use for anything regarding anything legal, whatever. I don't care what it is. If you've done a crime, hurt somebody or whatever, you're going to pay the piper for that. This can't help you. If you're getting the word out, standing in peace and calm and not telling cops to fuck off, like I told you not to. I've never done that. On air, I have. They can hear it. If they want to call in, they're more than welcome to. Fuck off, cop. You're breaking the law, you demon. Okay? There's only one document. All legal bullshit matters, and I don't care what it is. That means everything. 70 million plus legals. All of it. All in one. Everything that you can imagine in legal is destroyed in one document. The BCCRSS has everything you need. Anytime you are using the BCCRSS, which is the Birth Certificate Clausula Rebus Sextantibus document, the only thing, you don't handwrite anything on it. Nothing. If you are going to put a case file to shut shit down, you open the document and type it in the document, then print it with that on it. There will be no acts of your sinning anything. There is but one name on that document, and that name belongs to me. That path is mine. You share it. At that point, I become your legal advocate where God is your lawful one. And I step back because my work's done. You have to have the faith in truth. In the whole legal system, there's only one truth. It's illegal to use a legal name. Unless you got a bar card and you want to bark hard with Satan and have a great time for one lifetime and go to hell for eternity. Make a note of this show tonight. Well, what did Kate say to do again? Here's what Kate's telling you to do. You're going to trust it. Anything legal, tax counsel, anyone fucking hassling you at all, because as soon as you serve up and don't go back, has all the information you need to know that it's legal to your legal name spoken in legalese, so the funky lawyers and judges, oh yeah, so it is, and in plain English, me, the average individual, half a brain, can fucking figure it out. And then, of course, it's written with the finesse of Phoenician, which, if you don't know what Phoenician is, sound mind stuff, it is putting into consideration every letter, every full stop, every apostrophe, every quotation mark, every capital, every lowercase, every hyphen. I'm talking about every mark, black mark on that page when you print it out, or red, whatever color you use. Every one of those was thought about. Every letter, every word, every punctuation, everything. That's the Phoenician, to make sure that it cannot be turned over with mental trickery. I turn it over and then write it from the backward side. It can't be undone. It's the Gordian knot of truth. Okay, so if you got anything legal anywhere, and this is what you got to do. You cannot take it any further than this. And you will find that, wow, something miraculous happens. Because while you're still filling in forms and filling in lines and signing and signing and signing, every contract you sign, the bell goes, and you've got a plan in the future, like a pending date with someone or something, and I don't care what it is. You're hooked, and that's it. You're anchored down. All right, so no more contracts, no more going out looking for things and all the rest of it. Get the job done. That's for all of you out there. Because these lessons that we get to share with each other, me, others, to peel this banana right down, is the information you need to see where you can trip yourself up. So I see where all the trip-up points are anytime you're talking to me. So I need to know where you are in your own way of thinking, and I see that quickly by the way you talk. And if you're using legal terms at all in your day-to-day vocabulary, talking to people, then you're talking inside their box. Set the objective first. It's illegal to use a legal name. A good example of calling up the police to talk to them and get this word out. Great job. And we had a great chat about that. When you come right out of it, the opening line for me would be something like this. Yeah, I'm calling about the two officers, Deal and Lieb, or Deal with the Devil, Lie B. Constables Deal and Lieb, who kidnapped an individual last night. You do know it's illegal to use a legal name, right? Unfortunately, the one that we're talking about that got kidnapped, they used a name, not theirs. Any name, John Doe, Jane Doe. I already told you guys you can't use Jane Doe-755. When you put it in there, that's between me and them now, not you. Fuck away off about that. Because if you go back, it's like this. Do you want, I have a public bar card in the literal fucking bar card sense. They gifted me that name. Oh, look, an honorable citizen of the City of London that the Crown goofs have to protect. Now, you could use that and go and play, but why? For what? For what? Because lawyers and judges would have to, they'd never see the light of day. It doesn't matter. It's already the light of day in the courthouse. And it's a big cork that you put in Satan's fucking throat. And it doesn't go away. It's a festering sore within them. All right, so the only document you're going to ever use from henceforth, and I always recommend putting the real law on top, the Ten Commandments. You're a little, not quite sure about that, then just fold it over, but you put my daddy's law on top, okay? Now, I'm the little legal advocate for you underneath to show you how you're breaking all the 10 Commandments. So that when the case file, put the case file on or court case docket file or whatever, number on everything. Not a name, only the number. Because when they go looking for the number in the court, they're the ones that have to commit legal name fraud. Oh, that's so-and-so. No, it's not a fucking number. The only name you need to concern yourself with is the one that's on that document. Why aren't you talking to me? That's right, because you can't. It's over at that point. Walk away. Now, every line that's drawn on a map anywhere called jurisdiction, I don't care what it is now a wall between you and them. They're going to get through that wall the instant you utter anything that resembles a fucking name, because that's the program running in their head. The enemy is the constant program running in their heads. So here's a little share and Sunny. Put some Sunny here. Here's some. I'm going to share something with you to put some Sunny on your day. See, here it is. Been to insolvency service today. That's bankruptcy court, all right, with a friend of mine, and the bankruptcy order has been suspended because, wait for it, my friend refused to consent and sign the fraudulent document. We got Cato Guy's birth certificate fraud document stamped. That's the BCCRSS. Please, guys, call it what it is. It's not Kate's document. It's the BCCRSS. Don't worry, they'll find me using that. They got to find the truth first. You guys found me in whatever way you found me, and we found each other, but it's truth first. So just to let you know, see, even in the great victories these are, still want you fine-tuning it, all right? So my friend refused to confirm fraudulent document. We got the birth certificate, clausula rebus sextantibus, because I talked to them, birth certificate, fraud document stamp, that's the BCCRSS, and received and was told if she don't attend court, my friend will be issued with a war rant. We said we wouldn't do that. We can't wait to refuse to sign a document that is legal name fraud. All right? Well done, Lucky Dave. Sorry, I can't. I appreciate it. Love you too. We'll just leave it at that. All right? Truth first, Kate second. Remember? I'm the silver medalist like you. So put the truth first. That way no one's going to confuse me with some fucking idol thinking I'm their savior. And here's the other side of it. The BCCRSS only has one name on it. Mine. Yeah, go ahead, issue the warrant, asshole. Instant change. Jane Doda 755. It's over. It hasn't even started. God's got the walls up. All I have to do is remember them. Knowledge is peace of mind like you wouldn't believe. Okay, so this kills every legal bullshit that you can imagine. It kills it all.